Look at you for a second. You know, it's very, I'm not sure. Please, everybody, try to be quiet. Is this a name? This is a name?
That's a legitimate name, yes.
Okay, I just want to show you. This is a name. This is a name. Okay, yes. Can you, for the first time, it's not set up, correct? Can you tell them what was the name of your first love?
Yeah, that was Atif. Wow, I mean like...
No, this is really interesting. Now, I know that some of you are very skeptic, so I'm just going to go with my feeling. Let's go on the back, over there. Just, what's your name on the back, over there? Yes, you. Stand up for me for a second. Watch this. We're doing an experiment. Yeah, stand up. What is your name? Where are you from, Sonata? Delhi. And what media are you working for? Sorry? What media? CNN. Very skeptic. Let me ask you a question. When I talk about first love, first relationship, can you think about your first love? Now, did you ever tell me the name? Say out loud. Can we have the microphone? Okay. Can you just think about the name, please? Think about the name. Don't say a word. Just think about the name, just to make sure, because people are going to ask you questions after this. Can you count to 5 real fast for me, please?
Sorry?
Count to 5 real fast. Count to 5. Out loud, out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Does he have 5 letters in the name?
That's true.
Okay. This is not a regular name, correct?
It's not a regular name.
Can
yes.
you think about? Can you think now? This is very important. This is not set up. I did not tell you to tell me the name before. Fair enough.
That is correct.
Can you? I hope I'm close. Can you just tell me only the first letter of his name?
G as in Geneva.
Wow. No, but this is not. This is interesting. What is your name again? Sorry.
Sunanda.
This is,
Sunanda.
Yeah, I'm just looking at you. What was your age when you had the first love?
2 years ago.
2 years ago? No, really? So you were like...
2.5.
You were like 18?
No.
No, okay. Okay, I'm just going to go with my feeling over here. You can see what I'm doing over here because it's interesting. I don't know if this is a name. I don't know if this is a name. This is a... Okay, I'm just going to go and write something. Can you tell me for the first time to the microphone, first love, we never met before, this is a genuine experiment. So because I addressed you because some people think that maybe I set something up with the actors, we didn't ask you to tell me something. What was the name of your first love? Tell me.
Giles.
That's what I wrote over here. Now
that is not a regular name, so.
This is interesting. This is interesting. It's pretty freaky. I know.
Yes, it is very freaky.
Are you a believer now? You still
I just want to know how you got to know that.
You have to put it in one of your hands, and you hold your hand like this, and I need to find where the coin is. When I ask you where is it, you have to lie to me. All the time you have to say no, 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 and let's see if I can capture.
You only got 2 options then.
No, but we'll do it one after a time. Okay? You ready? Now this is the interesting part. Go. Go like this. Don't say a word. I'm just going to look at you. Remember, say no. Is it here?
No.
Is it here? You see? He didn't say it means it's here. Right? Okay. Show me. Let's do it again. Again. Remember, you have to say no, no. Keep a poker face. Let's see where he put it now. Don't say a word. Now, you have to capture someone when he's lying to you, especially about love. When you're ready, go like this. By the way, don't put it in your pocket like you wanted to do. He wanted to keep the money. He wanted. Just go like this. Go like this. Okay. Don't say a word. I'm just look at you. Look at you. Okay. Lie to me. Say no and no. Here.
No.
Here. No. Don't tell me the
Okay.
Okay. One more time.
Not the game. All right.
I need to guess where it is.
Okay.
Are you ready? Now don't say a word. You need to lie. Is it here?
No.
Is it here?
No.
See, now he's getting better in this, but not so good. It's here again. Yes?
Yes.
Show me. Yes. One more time. Now it's interesting. Will he change his mind or put it in the same hand? You ready? Let's go like this. Remember, you have to lie to me. Don't say a word. You have to lie to me. By the way, remember, don't put it in your pocket. If you put it in your pocket, you cheat. Then you give me $1 million. You put it in your pocket, right? They cannot lie to me. You know what? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. We'll do it. By the way, I was Arjun.
My dear Lord.
Really?
How could you possibly know? Wow.
Okay. Now, for the last experiment,
I'm
something with
scared.
Everyone, I know this is. You can sit down. Sit down. Sit down. No, people are very. Anybody has questions? You can ask me anything you want except how did you do it? Okay, so for the last experiment, I want to be a little bit, sorry? The what, sorry? No. Moving, oh, okay. No, it's not, no, it's okay. Now, for the last experiment, we will try to do something with all of you. I want to, let's try to do it this way. I want to interview you because I'm sitting next to you. I'm going to ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is going to be a very genuine questions. Let's see. The first question I'm going to ask you is, what is, just go, in your mind. What is your biggest, can we have that quiet for a second?
Can I please request everybody to like
Yes, very.
I don't want to be alone. I mean, like in my future. So
So you don't want to be alone. That's the biggest fear. Okay. Question number 2 is, listen carefully, what is your crazy dream?
I want lots of money, and I really wanna buy a one jet.
You want to buy a jet? Well, after the movie, you could maybe buy a jet. Okay, jet is good. Jet is good. And you don't want to be alone. The third question, this is interesting. What do I ask you? Okay, what would you choose if you couldn't be an actress? What would you want to do?
Because I love traveling, to might be like air hostess.
Air hostess?
Yeah, because I love that. I just want to see the whole world. So yeah.
That's interesting. No, the reason I ask you this is because I want to ask you something. People ask me, how do you do all the stuff that you do? And when they ask me, I always tell them, if I tell you, I will have to kill you. No. The one was a guy, I did a big show, somebody raised his hand, he started to scream, and he says, Lior, how do you do it? So I told him, sir, if I tell you, I will have to kill you. He then told me, can you please tell my wife, please? It shows you how we are all connected by the power of love. This is interesting. But I didn't ask you those questions for nothing. The 3 questions that I asked you. Yeah. You know why? Remember I gave you something? Can you give it to her, please? Can you take the microphone? And can you read out loud what I wrote for you before the show started? Out loud slowly.
To whom it may concern, if you ever fear from being alone in life, please don't be. Always be happy. Always think positive. Think of love. And maybe, just maybe, you will have a jet. Or even, maybe, an air hostess. Love, Leo.
Wow. Let me show this. This is a really...
My God.
To whom it may concern, if you ever fear from being alone in life, please don't be. Always be happy, always think positive, think of love, and maybe, just maybe, you will have a jet. Yeah. Or even maybe an air hostess. This is interesting that I wrote this before you. This is creepy, huh? It's kind of like a...
There's the answer of 3 questions.
No, okay. You want more questions?
No, she's saying there was one more question.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll try to do something. By the way, your first love. It's kind of difficult. Do you know the name of his first love?
Well, one can
Which
only guess.
one of them? Which one of them you ask?
One can only guess.
Exactly. You had so many, so we have to.
I I need to go to the loo.
No, Randeep, you may not be excused.
I need to go to the loo now.
Tell me, look at me, first letter.
I need to go to the loo.
No, we'll just do the first letter, okay? First letter A.
First letter?
Yes. No, wait, 1 second. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I'm a little bit tired, but there's. I don't think I know the entire name, but there's a K over there somewhere. Or maybe I'm completely wrong. Okay, let's go for the last letter. Last letter. This is just a proof that it's real, by the way. It's not a magic trick. It's H. That's the last letter of any chance? No, really? Maybe you're going from a person to a person, so you're not positive. You better go to the loo. You better go to the loo now. Okay, you know. But to finish with it, I want to give an important message that I wrote to myself here. Do you have a phone on you? Phone on you? Can I have anybody has an iPhone by any chance? Just, give me an iPhone for a second. And you're going to help me with something very important, all of you. Every phone has a calculator, okay? So what we're going to do is do some calculations, and I want everybody in the room to think of a 2-digit number, and I'm going to explain what we're going to do. You're going to start. Give me a 2-digit number.
7,
And one more.
9.
79. Plus, give me a 2-digit number.
28.
28. Plus, give me a 2-digit number.
69.
I thought you need to go to the loo. Plus, now, you're going to keep doing the calculation. Don't press equal. We'll leave it to the end, okay? So keep doing the calculations. And please, 1 second. No, not like this. Hold it like this so you can see the numbers clearly. Yes, no, see, now. Press plus. Plus, okay, no, don't press equal yet, okay? What is your number? 2 digits. 19. Plus. Plus, exactly. Don't press equal. What is on there? What's your number? 26 plus. Good. And your number, please? 55 plus. And your number? 21 plus. And you with the glasses, what's your number? 10 plus. By the way, your first love, does it begin with A? Yes? So I was mixing between you two. Okay. No, I got this. Yes, it's A.